Hello and welcome. Today we are going to tell you something interesting about kangaroos. For many people, the Australian outback means only one thing: kangaroos. These distinctive marsupials can leap 9 meters in a single jump, keep their young warm in cozy pouches, and live in groups known as mobs. Kangaroos and their relatives are the only animals that use hopping as their primary method of travel, but they are unable to walk backwards. Kangaroos belong to the animal family Macropodidae, which literally means big foot. Thanks to their large feet and powerful hind legs, kangaroos can travel more than 56 kilometers per hour and leap more than 9 meters in a single bound. That's more than 6 10-year-olds lying head to toe. They have small front legs and a long, strong tail, which helps them balance while jumping. The tallest of all of our planet's marsupials, these amazing animals can stand over 2 meters tall. Kangaroos generally live in small groups called mobs, with around 10 females and their joeys and 1 or 2 males. In areas with lots of food, though, huge gatherings of around 1,500 kangaroos have been observed. Kangaroos typically remain within a small home territory, but have been known to travel great distances in times of poor environmental conditions. Female kangaroos sport a pouch on their belly, made by a fold in the skin to cradle baby kangaroos called joeys. Newborn joeys are tiny, measuring just 2.5 centimeters, or about the size of a grape. Cute! After birth, joeys travel unassisted through their mother's thick fur to the comfort and safety of the pouch. A newborn can't suckle or swallow, so the kangaroo mom uses her muscles to pump milk down its throat. At around 4 months, the youngster emerges from the pouch for short trips, and at 10 months it's mature enough to leave the pouch for good. Kangaroos are herbivores, with a strictly plant-based diet of grasses and flowering plants. They are able to survive without access to water in the dry outback for a considerable time, gaining what little moisture they need from eating succulent plants. Like many other herbivores, including cows, kangaroos have a complex digestive system that allows them to regurgitate food, which can then be broken down to remove more nutrients, a process known as chewing the cud. Scientists have identified a special type of bacterium in the stomachs of kangaroos that process their food without producing methane. This result is not only good for the environment, but it's more efficient for the kangaroos to process their food. In comparison to the 24 million people living in Australia, there are 44 million kangaroos as of 2015. That's quite a leap from 2009, when there were only 27 million kangaroos. The overpopulation of kangaroos leads to our next fact. It's not unusual to find a kangaroo burger on a menu in Australia. In fact, it is a healthy option, and it is high in protein and low in fat, as well as a more sustainable alternative to other meat. Because the kangaroo population is so high, it's not a threat to their existence. Thanks for watching. We hope you have learned something new today. Please subscribe for more daily facts videos. See ya!